Finally, let's hear from Tapan Singhel, the MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, one of the leading general insurance providers of India that is not only bringing insurance solutions to the customer's doorstep but is also improving insurance penetration with its advanced digital and mobile applications.
Innovation is now the new normal for the insurance sector. So how does the company, drives this in the Indian context?
I think you get these fancy words which get overhyped. Okay. Innovation is one such fancy word which is overhyped. In the end of it, when you break it down, it simply is trying to solve some problem for the customer or trying to create a kind of infrastructure which makes life easier for people. The advantage now is because of technology, the speed of things, because the world getting shorter, the brains getting more powerful, artificial intelligence coming to, the speed at which this happens has become much faster. Now, I think our obsession is to keep on finding such solutions, and that is why if you see, we are mostly among the first who bring out experience-changing innovations to the market. If you look at the insurance industry, the combined ratio, which is claim plus expenses plus commission, is about 115%, which means for every 100 rupees premium that they take, the sharing out is 115, which means they really pay claims very well. But if you ask the man on the street, they say the industry does not pay claim. Now, phenomenally, this difference is because the way the claims get paid is that when a customer comes in, they eliminate all fraud mechanisms to see it's not a fraudulent claim before they pay. Well, the customer feels that the industry is not wanting to pay claim. Now, if you have to innovate, all you do is that with the new technology and all the experience that is there, can you cut this process down? Can you pay the claims on the spot? Now, when you can do that, it is a full change of experience for the customer. And that's what we did. When for the motor claims, we started paying on the spot. Within 20 minutes of accident, you just click pictures, upload, you get the money there. We are among the first in the world to do that. I think our obsession now is that any retail claim, we should settle within 20 minutes of the incident. And we can do that today with technology, and we eliminate fraud also, which was not there, let's say, 20, 30 years back. Right. So as the world changes, can a company think about finding solutions which redefines customer experiences? And that is what you can define as innovation. But that's a constant process which every company has to go through.
So in your opinion, Tapan, how has the landscape and model of insurance evolved over the years? Overall, what changes have you witnessed? Okay,
so if I take you back just about 18 years back, the same automobile I was talking about, if you had an automobile claim 18 years back, you'd actually had to, one, go to the branch where you were insured, get a survey appointed. After getting a survey done for the spot first, then get the vehicle repaired, then get another survey done, then after it's finally repaired, get another survey done. That's 3 surveys. And then all the salvage, that's the part which got replaced, you collect with you, in a rickshaw bring it to the branch in which you got insured, and then somebody would tick one by one before your claim got paid. And if you got the claim in about 4 months' time, you would be very, very happy. And today in 18 years, we talk about 20 minutes on the spot. No. So the way claims are being looked at, the way the industry is evolving towards settlement of claim, it has transformed in a huge manner. The second issue which is happening is the awareness level. Right. If I look way back, I think one, distribution was only agency, and there was nothing like bank assurance or brokers or web sales. And the second thing was the awareness level was very low. So only the mandatory part, be it automobile or when you took loans, was getting covered. But in today's time, health is growing at about a CAGR about 25% on a year-on-year basis. Now, if I look at the government also, they're coming out with health, Ayushman Bharat for the entire population. And you watch in 10 years' time, just one move of government in terms of bringing Ayushman Bharat will redefine the experience of health of India. When money comes in the system, then you get more hospitals, more doctors come in. Why in sports where there is money, you have better talent? Right. It is just because the money enhances people's engagement with that. 15-20 years time, I think insurance landscape would have changed completely. So a lot of changes happen. It will come to redefine it. Very exciting times to be an insurer right now.
So the insurance sector has a lot of competition. So in this kind of a scenario, how do one negate unique value proposition? How can brands, stand out?
As long as you have childlike enthusiasm, as long as you have the empathy of a mother, as long as you have the calmness of an ocean, you always stand out. The enthusiasm of childlike would make you curious, would want you to experiment, do things differently. The empathy would make you understand as to what has to be done, which would make a difference to people's life. And the calmness would give you the strength to execute it and take it to the next level. As long as these things are imbibed in the DNA of a company, I think it will keep us ahead of the game. And the more the competition, the better it is.
All right, Tapan, on this optimistic note, I would like to thank you for taking out time and joining us once again, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors.